Hey guys, so today so this is an early upload because uh this is an early upload because of the fact that this was made just because I was bored. I just decided to make this because I was bored. So you might hear a lot of background noises because this wasn't really planned. And as you can guess from the extremely noticeable hole in the ground, this and from the objects that I'm holding in my hotbar, this video is gonna be about missiles. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make 2 missiles. Put obsidian block there. So that obsidian block is actually for one of the missiles. And just real quick, just put that there. There we go. So what happens? So why is this thing here? Is because it's actually useful for something. I'll show you later. But for now, let's focus on making the actual thing itself. The flying machine explodey thingy. Missile. Why did I just call its name like that? I don't know. Don't judge me. And this is the first missile done. This one is actually smaller than the ones over there. I actually already made a preview of all 3 of them. I even have an equal sign made up to show that these 2 are actually equal in power. This one is the smaller one, meaning it's also it's not very strong, and it can only really trigger if it goes up against. That's my khala. You might be able to hear her. I don't know, but she's actually just telling my cousin to stop talking because one of us is praying. So yeah. But over here, and after that, in order for this thing to blow up, you actually need an obsidian or something that can't be pushed by pistons in front of the redstone block. If that is there, then the thing won't trigger. But so there you have it. I'll show you how. Now you can see how it works. There you go. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it is definitely faster than one of them over there. So the redstone block will stop, and this one can only really use 2 pieces, as you might have noticed, compared to this one. This one I know it uses 21 pieces. That one I don't even know myself. There we go. I'll go get that back. And the next one is that one, the mini one, was actually made by someone named Wings of End. I'll be showing you another one that is made by him, but this one I'll actually show you one that was made by someone whose name was so complicated I don't even remember myself. I think that I'll put the name on while I edit the video, but whatever. So the next one, so in order for that you need 1 slime block, 2 blocks above the ground, or I don't know however many blocks above the ground you want it to be. And then after you put 4 observers around the slime block. Then you put 4 normal pistons, non-sticky pistons, in front of the observers. Then another slime block in between the pistons. Then after that you need to have pretty much just, you need to have an observer. You need to have an observer here. Okay, there's my sister over there, and pretty much everyone just comes into the one room that I'm recording in. But okay, so we'll continue. So, and then after that you just need to cover this thing entirely. Just put up 3 pieces, put TNT pieces, I guess. I don't even know myself on why am I stuttering, but then again, but there we go. So you need to go three blocks in front of the observer. Then you put 1 TNT piece in the middle. Then after that you put an oak plank, or just pretty much any block that does not transmit redstone through it. Then put a block of redstone in front of it. Then after that, you can just leave. You have to pretty much just leave this hole behind, no matter what. You can just pretty much leave this hole behind. But when you want to activate this thing, you have to fill in both of these, and it will automatically get activate. That was a mistake, a very big one. Okay, so I think I've just made a mistake myself on the one thing that I'm trying to make. So this is embarrassing. Let's just ignore that. Let's hope that I cut it out later. I'll just cut this out later. That is not supposed to happen. That is supposed to be there. I'll just do it the right way this time. Yeah, it needs to stay. Put those two in front. Put that the right way. The sticky piston there. With TNT all around it. I don't know why the redstone block like exploded the TNT for some reason. But there we go. 3 pieces. Then you put 2 like that. There you go. I really hope that it doesn't just stop working at the best part. But as I already told you how it works, that was embarrassing, but we'll just get on with it. And it just did it again. Okay, so we'll just ignore that one. That one just turned out a big old failure. Sorry about that one. That one just turned out a big old failure. So this time we'll actually make, so let's make something that actually works this time. So why is my father making screaming at my cousin for some reason? He probably did something bad. I don't know. So this one you can actually define. In order to get the direction right, you actually need to do something like this. You need to have two pieces of the 2 slime blocks like this. Then you have to put an observer facing the okay, whatever. Then you want the sticky in whatever direction. You need to put the sticky piston facing in the opposite direction to the direction which you want to send the missile in. That sounded confusing. Now you need to put the observer in a way that the red dot points into the piston and this arrow on top also points into the piston. Then you need to put that slime block there, 1 block away. Make sure that there is a distance. There is that distance between the piston and that whatever. You can make this a 4, and then you have the flying machine for the thing done. You can make it a 4x4 flying machine if you want to, like this, but I don't know. That's just to save space, I guess. But then next what you want to do is to put observers in this direction and then in this direction. Then put a piston like that. Then you get this checkerboard pattern of pistons and observers. Then you need to get a slime block 1 block away, like that, and then you can pretty much just have any sort of block that doesn't, and just like the oak plank, you can just pretty much have any sort of block that doesn't transmit redstone signals, and then use it. But I would say that the red stained glass works best because its color matches up with the TNT. Then you need to put a block of redstone in front of that, then pretty much surround it in like this, and then after that you need to put in TNT, cover it up in these 2 places, then put it over there. Then you need to put a single piece of TNT there, then a slime block, then 2 pistons like this. And there you go, your little missile is done. As you said, this is exactly what it looks like. I don't know why, but for some reason that didn't work. I'm gonna try it again with the real one this time. Okay. That isn't what it's supposed to do. I probably just made a mistake in that one. Then whatever. But now, in order to power this, you pretty much just need to power this one, this observer. This is actually slower than the rest, and this one is made so that it goes through the wall before it actually explodes, to make sure that if there is anyone living in the house and they have some sort of like better defense like the stone blocks, this one did the best out of all three of them. It would have done the best if the other one worked, because it kind of goes through into the house, like it's like fully into the house, and then it explodes all those blocks of TNT. So this was today's video, guys. This one actually had a very big embarrassment in the middle of it. This one actually had a very big embarrassment in the middle of it, but whatever. I will see you all, but bye bye. I will see you all this Saturday. I'll see you all on Saturday. Okay. I'm very bad with